A vacuum cleaner. Chelada likes to come out on her playground. Say hi, baby. Can you say hi? Say hi, chubby cheeks. Chelada loves to have food spread out here. She has a little house that I think she is jumping on top of and getting out. Not sure. And then she has a little wheel and a little bed for, I think, a little larger animals than she actually is. Look at your fat little cheeks, Chelada. They're fat. Look at how fat you are. Hey, you gonna say hi? Hey, you gonna say hi? Oh, she's probably gonna go to get rid of the food. We missed her. Now she is right there. She's not getting rid of the food if she's going into her wheel. I'm not quite understanding. Chelada, come here, honey. Come here. Maybe she's burning off some of that food that she has in her cheeks. So I don't think she's gotten rid of it yet.